Okay, guys, good afternoon. So we had sort of a slow day in the market that went nowhere. The market rallied up initially on the CPI data to the Globex 3 and had come all the way back. And then it rolled over, um, went back to the RTH Open, the Globex Open, rather, the Globex Open, and made it up to the daily one and sort of stalled out. And the market was pinned and pinned very well. Let's see. We had some weekly 7-day twos right where they pinned it. Okay, 7-day twos. And we're right in the middle of the monthly range, but it spiked up to this monthly 3. That was the key. And that was on our sheet today, as well as this quarterly 1. So this quarterly 1 and 30-day 3 is what is holding price back. There was some gamma at 56.50 that led me to believe that it might break higher if it got back up there, um, the way it was structured. So they kept us away from it. They didn't want the market to even get up there to have that happen. So they have moved their risk down, and so far it's not moving back up. So let's take a look at the NQ. Same thing, just rolled over right after the open, went up to the daily 2, rolled over to the Globex, or Globex open at the 1-hour IB 3, and then back up and flattened out. So we didn't get past the weekly 3s. And the monthly, is right here, these monthly ones. They don't want it to be above that because they've already moved the risk down. So it's going to be kind of hard to get up here to this 20,000, but that's the ultimate goal for, end of next week, get up there at some point. So we're going to have to get past this 19,700 and then run right into 19,863 and 948. 825 is the weekly one. Weekly one is at 907, so 825, 907, and then 956 for the 90-day 2. And then all the way up to the 20,000, 281. So 20,000 is just right above this 90-day 2. So it's blocked. So if we can't even get past these weekly 3s, and they're not letting us get back up there, their risk is right here on that weekly 1. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but they sure have kept us off the longs. There's a lot of time between now and, week after next. My monitor's frozen over here, so there it goes. So for the VIX, we had some good levels today. I think we're going to make it down to this 2335, maybe. That's the weekly mean. Or 2270. We've already broken through this 30-day monthly 3s. So this is the upside. We're above our weekly or monthly 3s, and we're coming down lower. And I think that's what the dealer wasn't ready for. They're keeping us away from it at this time, but that's where the VIX is going. It's going lower, so they broke through. So it's just a matter of getting these levels to break, 56.70, and they've already moved their risk out. So is this the dip that you buy for the vol? And they're going to send it back up? Or are they going to let it come down here into the quarterly one or monthly one? I have a feeling we'll be seeing 23.35 before we'll be seeing 25, but I don't know. If it gets back up to 25 and goes higher, I mean, it's just going to be lights out on the market. Okay, so that's the plan. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hope y'all have a great night.